Hi everybody, my name is Dan and welcome to another Keto Tuesday here at Man Cave. Today we're going to be taking the same coconut chocolate combination that we did last week for those cookies and make some coconut chocolate donuts. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to click that subscribe button down below and give a thumbs up and ring the bell. This way you know when brand new recipes are available. You get to try them out with me. Now before we start, be sure to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. And let's start on these yummy keto donuts. Now our first step is to combine our first wave of ingredients in a mixing bowl. So we're going to start by adding 6 eggs at room temperature, a half cup of coconut flour, a half cup of coconut sugar, a quarter cup of cocoa powder, a quarter cup of butter, softened and at room temperature, and a quarter cup of coconut oil. Now using our hand mixer, we're going to go ahead and get these ingredients well incorporated on a low speed, gradually increasing to a medium speed until everything is nice and combined. Once that's mixed, we're going to add our 3 last ingredients. So let's start by adding in 1 teaspoon of vanilla, a half teaspoon of baking powder, and a half teaspoon of baking soda. Now if you do want to really blast in that yummy coconut flavor, you can always go ahead and cut that 1 teaspoon of vanilla in half and add in a half teaspoon of coconut extract. But with all of our ingredients now in, let's go ahead and mix again on a low speed, gradually increasing to a medium speed until everything's nice and incorporated and as smooth as can be. Now let's go ahead and take our yummy donut batter and place it into our donut pans. Greased with some coconut oil on the sides, of course, to kind of make it easier to pop out. And you only want to fill your donut wells about halfway. Now that those are all filled up, let's go ahead and bake our donuts for 12 minutes. Maybe another extra minute if they need it. So with our donuts baked and cooled, let's go ahead and drizzle on some yummy chocolate glaze. All you need is just 2 cups of unsweetened chocolate chips and a tablespoon and a half of coconut oil. You just blast that in the microwave for 30 seconds and give it a little mix. And once you have that chocolate glaze on, go ahead and sprinkle some unsweetened coconut flakes on top. And there are our delicious chocolate glazed coconut keto donuts. You just throw those on a little serving plate and you have your yummy little snack for breakfast or a little afternoon pick-me-up, I think we should just go ahead and just dive right in. Well, let's go with the top one. Now that is one yummy donut. You got your chocolate donut, you got coconut flavor just bursting on top of those yummy coconut flakes, and of course the creamy chocolate just all glazed around the donut. Perfect little snack. Well, that's all I have for you this week. Don't forget to go ahead and click that subscribe button down below and give a thumbs up, because these coconut chocolate glazed donuts deserve a thumbs up. They are perfection. And if you do make these amazing donuts, definitely be sure to tag me on Instagram or Facebook or Twitter, wherever the kids are at these days. I'm sure I'm there too. Until next week, bye.